Hello friends! Today I will talk about why go to mountain in summer. Mountain. I'm not go to sea beach or other ocean side because it is very hot in sea beach, but in mountain it's very cold weather. Now I'm going to talking about activity. In activity, this perfect time in the summer. We can hiking, biking, and jump in the mountain. And mountain provide us excellent camping. And we can do sports on the mountain and run, jumping, and do exercise and physical exercise. Thank you, friends. Then outdoor and health. In outdoor, we can water plants and swing in the garden, and also playing game and tag. And we can tag each other in the garden. And there's one playground. And then wildlife. I love to see animals, snakes, and last time I saw the big snakes in Dehradun. So like that, I'll also see some big snakes or another big snakes. And in wildlife, we also see animals like leopards, bear, anything, or tigers. So then photo. We can photo in mountain and beautiful photo. We can also photo like animals and snakes. We can also photo me in garden. We can swing and photo each other. Then beautiful landscape of mountains and high place in mountain, and we can see others mountain too in the beautiful landscape. And in out we can see a beautiful restaurant to eat, and then whole landscape. You can never believe that in the beautiful landscape.
Sunrise, sunset.
And sunrise, sunset is also beautiful sunrise.